Hello, and welcome to Daily English Conversation.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here with us today.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben.
On this channel, we help you practice real, everyday English through natural conversations.
If you enjoy learning with us, please click that subscribe button and give this video a like.
It really helps us create more content for you.
Yes, thank you so much for your support.
Today, we have a very practical topic to discuss.
That's right. Today we're going to talk about your workday.
We'll share how to describe daily work routines and learn useful vocabulary for the office.
It's going to be a great conversation.
So, Ben, how are you doing today?
Honestly, I'm a bit tired today. It was a long day at the office. How about you?
I'm doing well, thank you. Oh no, what happened at work?
Nothing bad, really. Just a lot of meetings and emails to answer.
I understand. Some days are busier than others.
Exactly. I had back-to-back meetings from 9 in the morning until 3 in the afternoon.
That sounds exhausting. Did you even have time to eat lunch?
I ate a sandwich at my desk between two meetings. Not ideal.
Oh, Ben, you should take proper breaks during the day.
I know. But when there's a lot of work, it's hard to stop.
I used to be the same when I worked in an office. Now I work from home, so it's different.
That's true. Your workday must look very different from mine.
It really does, which is actually perfect for today's topic.
Yes, we can compare our workdays and teach useful vocabulary.
Let's start with the beginning of the day. What time do you usually wake up for work?
I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. My alarm goes off and I hit snooze at least twice.
At least twice? That sounds like you, Ben.
What can I say? I'm not a morning person. What about you?
I wake up around 7. Since I work from home, I don't need as much time to get ready.
That's one advantage of working from home. No commute.
Commute? That's a great vocabulary word. Do you know what commute means?
Yes, it's the journey you take from home to work and back.
Exactly. A commute is your daily trip to and from work. How long is your commute, Ben?
My commute takes about 45 minutes each way. I take the subway.
So that's an hour and a half of traveling every day.
When you put it that way, it sounds like a lot.
It is a lot. That's why many people prefer working from home.
What do you do with the time you save by not commuting?
I use it for yoga in the morning and to prepare a nice breakfast.
That sounds much better than standing on a crowded subway.
I can imagine. What do you do during your commute?
I usually listen to podcasts or read the news on my phone.
That's a good way to use the time. Many people learn languages during their commute.
That's true. Some of our listeners probably watch our videos on the subway.
I hope so. Okay, so after your commute, what happens when you arrive at work?
First, I go to my desk and turn on my computer. Then, I check my emails.
How many emails do you usually have in the morning?
Oh, sometimes 30 or 40 emails waiting for me.
That's a lot. Do you answer them all right away?
No, I prioritize them. I answer the urgent ones first and save the rest for later.
That's smart. Prioritizing means deciding what's most important, right?
Yes, you focus on the important things first and do the less important things after.
Good explanation. After emails, what do you do next?
Usually I have my first meeting of the day around 9 or 9:30.
Who do you meet with?
It depends on the day. Sometimes it's my team. Sometimes it's clients. Sometimes it's my boss.
What do you talk about in these meetings?
We discuss projects, solve problems, and make plans. You know, typical office stuff.
Do you like meetings?
Honestly, some meetings are useful, but some feel like a waste of time.
I know what you mean. Some meetings could have been an email.
Exactly. That's what everyone says.
At home, I have fewer meetings. Most of my communication is through email or chat.
Do you ever feel lonely working from home?
Sometimes, yes. I miss having colleagues around to talk to.
Colleagues. Those are the people you work with, right?
Yes, your colleagues are your coworkers, the people in your office or team.
I'm lucky to have nice colleagues. We eat lunch together and chat during breaks.
That's important for a good work environment. Do you have a break room at your office?
Yes, we do. It's a room with a coffee machine, a microwave, and some tables.
A break room is where employees go to relax, eat, or take a short rest from work.
Our break room always has fresh coffee. That's important for me.
I'm not surprised. You love your coffee.
I need it to survive the afternoon. Speaking of which, what does your afternoon look like?
After lunch, I usually have my most productive hours. I do my focused work then.
Productive? What does productive mean exactly?
Being productive means getting a lot of work done efficiently, achieving good results.
Ah, I see. So productivity is about doing work well and quickly.
Exactly. High productivity means you accomplish a lot in your workday.
My productivity is higher in the morning. After lunch, I feel sleepy.
That's common. Many people experience an energy drop after eating.
What do you do to stay productive in the afternoon?
I take a short walk with Luna. My cat doesn't really walk with me, but I go outside.
Luna just watches you from the window?
Pretty much. But the fresh air helps me focus when I come back.
Maybe I should take walks too. Instead, I just drink more coffee.
That works too, I guess. What kind of tasks do you do in the afternoon?
A lot of different things. I write reports, prepare presentations, answer more emails.
It sounds like you do a lot of multitasking.
Multitasking? What's that?
Multitasking means doing several tasks at the same time, or switching between them quickly.
Oh yes, I definitely multitask. I might be on a call while checking emails.
Is that effective? Some people say multitasking reduces productivity.
That's probably true. When I focus on one thing, I do it better.
I try to avoid multitasking. I work on one task until it's finished.
That sounds more peaceful. My office is full of distractions.
Distractions like what?
People stopping by my desk, phone notifications, colleagues asking questions.
That can make it hard to concentrate.
It does. Sometimes I wear headphones just to signal that I'm busy.
That's a common trick. Do people respect it?
Mostly, but my boss still comes to talk to me anyway.
Fair enough. The boss is the boss.
Speaking of the boss, she often gives us deadlines for projects.
Deadlines are very important in work. Do you know what a deadline is?
A deadline is the date or time when something must be finished.
Perfect. Missing a deadline can cause problems at work.
Definitely. I had a big deadline last week. I was stressed all week.
What was the project about?
I had to prepare a report for an important client. It took days to finish.
Did you meet the deadline?
Yes, but just barely. I submitted it 1 hour before the deadline.
That's cutting it close. But you made it. That's what matters.
The client was happy, so my boss was happy.
That's the goal. Happy clients mean a successful business.
What about you? Do you have deadlines when you work from home?
Of course. Working from home doesn't mean fewer deadlines.
How do you manage them?
I use a calendar and a to-do list. I write down all my deadlines and plan my week.
That sounds very organized. I should do that more.
It helps me stay on track. Otherwise, I might forget important dates.
My company uses project management software for tracking deadlines.
That's useful when working in a team. Everyone can see the progress.
Exactly. We can see who is responsible for what and when things are due.
Technology makes teamwork easier, even when people work in different places.
Some of my colleagues work from home part of the week. We use video calls a lot.
Do you prefer video calls or phone calls?
Video calls are better for important discussions. You can see people's faces.
I agree. Body language and facial expressions help communication.
But for quick questions, I just send a message or make a short call.
That makes sense. You don't need a video call for everything.
Some people schedule video calls for things that could be a text message,
We talked about that before. Some meetings could be an email.
and some calls could be a message. Communication efficiency is important.
Let's talk about workload. How would you describe your current workload?
Workload? I think I understand, but can you explain it?
Your workload is the amount of work you have to do. It can be heavy or light.
So a heavy workload means lots of work, and a light workload means less work.
Exactly. How is your workload right now?
It's pretty heavy. We have several big projects at the same time.
That must be stressful. Is anyone helping you?
Yes, I work with my team. We divide the tasks among ourselves.
That's good teamwork. Sharing the workload makes it manageable.
What about you? Is your workload heavy working from home?
It varies. Some weeks are busier than others. Right now, it's moderate.
I wish my workload was more balanced. Sometimes it's too much, sometimes too little.
That's common in many jobs. Work comes in waves.
When there's too much work, some people have to do overtime.
Overtime is working extra hours beyond your normal schedule, right?
Yes, my normal hours are 9 to 5, but sometimes I stay until 7 or 8.
Do you get paid extra for overtime?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. It depends on the project and the situation.
Working too much overtime can lead to burnout.
Burnout? What's that?
Burnout is when you're so exhausted from work that you can't function properly anymore.
That sounds serious. Have you ever experienced burnout?
Almost. A few years ago, I was working too many hours. I felt exhausted all the time.
What did you do about it?
I talked to my boss, and we adjusted my workload. I also started doing yoga.
And now you work from home with better balance.
Exactly. That experience taught me to prioritize my health.
That's an important lesson. Work is important, but health comes first.
I'm glad you understand that, Ben. Don't forget to take care of yourself.
I'll try. Maybe I'll start by taking a real lunch break tomorrow.
That would be a good start. Even 20 minutes away from your desk helps.
You're right. I need to step away from my computer sometimes.
Let's talk about the end of the workday. What time do you usually finish?
Officially, I finish at 5, but realistically, it's often later.
What do you do before leaving the office?
I check my emails one last time and write a to-do list for tomorrow.
That's a good habit. You start the next day knowing what to do.
It helps me relax at home. I don't worry about forgetting something.
Do you ever think about work after you leave the office?
Honestly, yes. Sometimes I can't stop thinking about a problem.
That's hard. It's important to separate work and personal time.
I know. I try to turn off work thoughts when I get home.
What helps you disconnect?
Cooking dinner, watching a show, or playing video games. Anything to distract my mind.
Those are good activities. I like to read or do yoga to relax after work.
Do you have a separate workspace at home?
Yes, I have a small office room. When I close that door, work is over.
That physical separation must help. I might check work emails on the couch otherwise.
It does help. Having boundaries between work and home life is essential.
I've heard of people who work from their bedroom and can't sleep well.
That's a common problem. The brain associates the space with work, not rest.
I never thought about it that way. Spaces matter.
They do. That's why even a small desk in a corner is better than the bed.
Good advice for anyone starting to work from home.
Absolutely. Create a dedicated workspace, even if it's small.
Let's review some of the vocabulary we talked about today.
Good idea. We covered a lot of useful words for talking about work.
Let's go through them one by one for our listeners.
The first word is commute. A commute is your journey from home to work and back.
For example, my commute takes 45 minutes by subway.
The spelling is Commute. Commute.
Next word is deadline. A deadline is when something must be finished.
For example, The deadline for the report is next Friday.
DEADLINE. Deadline.
The third word is multitasking. It means doing several things at the same time.
Many people multitask at work, but it can reduce focus.
MULTITASKING. Multitasking.
Next is colleague. A colleague is someone you work with.
I have a good relationship with my colleagues at the office.
COLLEAGUE. Colleague.
The fifth word is overtime. Overtime is working extra hours beyond normal.
I had to work overtime to finish the project on time.
OVERTIME. Overtime.
Next is productivity. It means how much work you get done efficiently.
My productivity is higher in the morning than in the afternoon.
PRODUCTIVITY. Productivity.
The seventh word is break room. It's a space where employees relax or eat.
I always get coffee in the break room before meetings.
Break room is two words, BREAK and ROOM.
Finally, workload. Your workload is the amount of work you have.
A heavy workload can cause stress if not managed well.
WORKLOAD. Workload.
Those are 8 useful words for talking about your workday.
Try to use them when describing your job to others.
Well, Ben, we talked for a long time today about workdays.
We really did. It was a great conversation about daily work routines.
Let me quickly summarize what we discussed.
Good idea. There was a lot of information.
We talked about how the workday starts differently for everyone.
Some people commute to an office. Others work from home.
We discussed meetings, emails, and how to manage a busy schedule.
We also talked about the importance of taking breaks during the day.
Exactly. Breaks help you stay productive and avoid burnout.
We learned vocabulary like commute, deadline, and multitasking.
Also, colleague, overtime, productivity, break room, and workload.
These words are essential for talking about work in English.
I hope you found this conversation helpful for your English learning.
Now it's time for our favorite part of the video.
The question of the day.
We want to hear from you, our viewers.
Today's question is simple but interesting.
What does your typical workday look like? Tell us about your routine.
For example, you could say, I start work at 8 and have meetings in the morning.
Or you could say, I work from home and take breaks to walk my dog.
Any answer is great. We just want to know about your day.
Please write your answer in the comments below.
We read every single comment and love learning about your lives.
Your answers help other learners practice their reading too.
So don't be shy. Share your workday with us.
Before we go, we want to thank you for spending time with us today.
Yes, thank you so much. We really appreciate it.
Learning English takes time and effort, and you're doing amazing.
Remember, making mistakes is part of learning. Don't be afraid to try.
Every word you learn brings you closer to fluency.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button.
Don't forget to hit the bell so you know when we post new videos.
We make new conversations every week to help your English.
Keep practicing and keep learning.
You're doing great. We believe in you.
Take care of yourselves, everyone.
See you in the next video.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.